Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo told which iPhones will be released in 2020 and 2021. In 2020, Apple will first introduce the continuation of the iPhone SE. It will have a case similar to the iPhone 8. Apple will install a 4.7-inch screen and one camera. In autumn, the company will release 4 iPhones with 5G and OLED displays. The line will be divided into conventional and premium devices. Small black square ordinary, iPhone with a 5.4 and 6.1-inch display. 2 cameras small black square premium, iPhone with 6.1 and 6.7 inches screen. 3 cameras and TOF module. In 2021, Apple will release the iPhone SE2 Plus with a 5.5 or 6.1-inch screen. Touch ID will be integrated into the power button. Following him, in the fall of 2021, the company will introduce a premium iPhone without a Lightning connector. Charging and synchronization will be carried out wirelessly.